Hi, this is a detailed technical video of a multi-lift PIR in a 2018 Toyota Highlander. So the lift is totally detachable from the mount, and that only leaves the mount with the little bit of the pins exposed, giving you full access to all the original functions of your vehicle. For example, you can still pull your seats up, and you can use your back seats just like you always would. And you still have access to the cargo area right here, where you have all your spare tire accessories. So the mount itself bolts into all original factory holes. There's no modification to the vehicle at all. The mount runs from here all the way across underneath the sill plate, and our tie downs here, they bolt right into our mount. We also supply a sill plate here so that it replaces your original sill plate. If you ever decide you want the mount removed for whatever reason, you can put the original sill plate back in, and it's almost as if nothing happened. So you can also take these tie down straps if you're not using them, and you can put them right in here. You put this right back over it, and you're all set, ready to go. Thank you for checking out our video.